Hello, my name is Christopher Mahoyaja, and today we are creating a cave with Pokemon inside. Let us begin. Now, first, find a suitable area to create your cave. For me, I'm going to use this convenient mountain placed here. And now we are going to use the editor and subtract so we can use it to create our cave. And as far as we go in, it will get darker. So we need to add a pot that we go to the properties and explorer, and then we add point light, and then we change it so that the light is brighter. We also add the range so we can see it, but not too high, or not you will be blinded by the light. Now that we have our light source, we can continue. Now that we have created the cave, make sure that we have an inner part of the cave, so we can have this as a flat area with a little bit of an an uneven ground to make it more of a cave-like structure. You can increase the base size to further hasten the process. Now we can move this object that shows light further in the cave. Now we can see that there is this area, and then we can go deeper. Now with this done, we can delete this, and then we can start searching for Pokemon. Now we go to the toolbox, and then search the specified Pokemon that you want. Let's start with Zubat. It's mostly seen in caves. Now we need to find a perfect like Zubat. But if you don't succeed in finding one, you can find other things. Like, for example, Golbat, the evolution of Zubat. Sometimes if you don't find what you need, you can try to stick with what you found. This. it seems that not a lot of these are well designed, I should say. Now you can just place them wherever you find pleasing. While you're doing that, we can add pillars to make it look like that the ceiling is being supported by some sort of support, so it doesn't look like the ceiling's just flying. You can do this by just going to editor, going to add, and then find the base size, which is going to be the base size of this this pillar. And once you are done, you can start clicking, and then there you have it, pillar. Although since it's with still colored with the dirt and grass, you can change it by going to paint and then finding the exact thing you want. We currently need cobblestone or rock, and then we can just paint this with rock so that it will look like that it's a the part of the cave that we want. Add as many as you need or as many as you want, but after you're done, you can try copying some of the same Pokemon to make it look like there are multiple of them, to make it more like a cave-like scene. And we haven't really done much here, so we can still add more Pokemon, and normally there will be one giant area where there will be one legendary Pokemon normally you see in movies. So let's see if we can find a legendary, specifically Groudon. There he is. Now I can just arrange it and rotate it so it looks like it's facing here. Now that since we're using Groudon, normally the ground below it would turn into lava. We can do that again by going to editor, paint, and then using cracked lava to make it look like that the ground surrounding Groudon is melting into lava. And now we can place him on here. So far that's everything that I can think of right now. You can still continue more, you can definitely improve this area and like everywhere, but that's all for now.